Hey everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. So Nasdaq has pushed up to 30,000 as I calculated in my previous analysis. So if you've traded that long, then congratulations, you must have made a nice healthy profit on that. Let's dive into the charts and see where Nasdaq might be going next. So we've got the Nasdaq hitting what, 13,100-ish, somewhere around there. I'm not sure if it's done yet, to be honest. I was sort of expecting more along the lines of 13,300-ish, possibly up to 13,600. So somewhere between 13,300 to 13,600. That's where I was sort of expecting it. It looks like it's sort of capped off, but I'm not too sure, to be honest. I'd want to see this sort of move around within this region. And I know we're talking about from 12,000 to 13,000, which is quite a big move, 1,000 points move. But again, as you can see, things have just been so volatile in the market lately, and the movements are pretty huge, to be honest. So what I'm looking for is the market to sort of stabilize somewhere between 13,000 to 13,600 and give us some more clues in terms of when it sort of peaked off. It could be the case that it's peaked off already, but I'd be a bit skeptical in terms of jumping in on a sell at the moment. Going forward for the medium-term sort of outlook, I think we're in for a nasty surprise, to be honest. If price, or rather, if the market doesn't sort of break above the 13,600-ish level, then I think we've got a very high probability that the market's going to be coming down south, and coming down south quite dramatically, to be honest. If this happens, then, you know, on a prior video, I've talked about how the market overall in the longer term is looking to come down to around 9,500, 9,000-ish. So we're looking at quite a dramatic fall if this fails. If this does not sort of continue upwards and reverses, then we're looking at a big drop, and I think that's going to cause a lot of turmoil in the market. Once we do get to around the 9,000-ish sort of level, I think that probably be the last sort of move down for quite a while, actually. And again, it's too far out to sort of talk about it at the moment, so I'd like to just sort of focus on the near-term or medium-term outlook at the moment. So for now, what I'm looking for is the Nasdaq to sort of peak off somewhere between 13,000 and 13,600. And I've been looking for shorting opportunities on the market and taking this down. Initially, I might to take this down to 11,000. So from 13,000 to 11,000, we've got a nice 2,000 point catch. Around 2,000, I'd like to sort of reevaluate. Could be the case that we get a pullback to around 12,000, and there I'd look for another short position, going down to around 9,000, 9,500-ish. So do trade carefully because the markets are extremely volatile. We've seen a lot of sort of surprising news come out into the market and causing a lot of volatility in the market. So just take it easy, keep your positions small, and trade carefully. So there you go, guys. That's my take on the market. If you are looking to trade this, you're going to need my precise trade ideas. On a regular basis, as the price moves according to my forecast, I give out trade signals, or you might call them forex signals, where I give you exact prices to enter, exact prices to take profit, and exact levels to take stop loss if things go wrong. So go ahead and join my forex signal service and get all my trade ideas. Jump onto my website. I'll leave a link in the description below and sign up and get my trade ideas today.